Seeds, Seeds, Seeds by Nancy Elizabeth Wallace. Hello friends, it's Mrs. Bennett, and our unit this week is all about plants. And I've been reading this book for a few years and I really like it. When I'm reading it, I want you to think about what are plants and why do we need plants and where do plants come from? And seeds are one way that plants grow. And I love this picture of one of the inside covers, and it shows you all different types of seeds. And you can see that they're all different colors and shapes and sizes. And we have our title page, Seeds, 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 written and illustrated by Nancy Elizabeth Wallace. And there's an exclamation point after each of the words. And that makes our voice kind of excited. And this book is nonfiction. It's fiction, but there are some things that are real about it. So they are trying to teach you a little bit as well. But the story is about a bear. So we know that bears are not real, but there are some parts that are learning parts. The also fun thing about this book is it shows you what this little bear Buddy is doing with his seeds, and I really think it's something that you could do as well. So it's just kind of a fun project. So you'll see as I read the book what that project is. On Monday, in early March, Jim the mailman called out, "Package for Buddy Bear." "For me?" asked Buddy. Jim read, "It says, for Buddy, from Gramps." Buddy carried the big box into the kitchen. Mama helped him open it. Inside were bags, tagged and tied with blue string. Buddy lined them up. He counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There was a note from Grandpa. "Dear Buddy, have 5 days of fun. Love, Gramps. P.S. It's almost spring." Buddy picked a bag. What's inside, he wondered. He and Mama read the tag. Different and the same, different and the same. Count them, sort them, glue them by their name. Buddy opened the bag. Inside, he found glue markers, a piece of sturdy paper, and a small white bag. Buddy shook the little bag. It made a shh, shh, shh sound. He peeked inside. Then he tipped the bag. "Seeds?" asked Buddy. "Oh, seeds," said Mama. Buddy counted them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. He touched them. "They feel really hard and dry." Mama said, "That's the seed coat." "The seeds have coats?" asked Buddy. "Yes, Buddy. The hard seed coat protects the tiny plant curled up inside." "Look," said Buddy. "What do you see?" Mama asked. "The seeds are different colors. They're different shapes. They're different sizes." "Mama, do big seeds always grow big plants?" "Sometimes," said Mama, "but not always. Some small seeds grow into big trees." On the sturdy paper, Gramps had written Buddy's seed collection. Buddy counted the seeds. "I see seeds that look like corn and seeds that look like peas." "What do you think are the pumpkin seeds?" asked Mama. "Oh, the big ones. I remember them from when I carved my jack-o'-lantern. I think the littlest ones must be radish seeds." "I think you are very smart," said Mama. Then Buddy glued the seeds next to their names. "Corn, peas, radish, pumpkin. I'm hungry. Let's eat." He glued all the seeds on his paper above their name. Mama and Buddy had a snack. "Seed, seed, seed," said Buddy. He saved some apple seeds for his collection. Buddy's seed collection. So you can see how he's gluing them all over his paper in groups above what they are, above their name. So we have corn, peas, radish, look how little those are, pumpkin, and apple from the apple that he ate. On Tuesday, Buddy lined up the bags. He closed his eyes and pointed. Mama and Buddy read the tag. Look, 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 how do I grow? Put me in order, then you'll know. Buddy opened the bag. Gramps made cards. I like cards, said Buddy. Oh, these cards show how a seed germinates, said Mama. Buddy giggled. Germinated? Does that mean it has germs? Mama giggled too. No, germinate means to start to grow. Why do seeds start to grow? Asked Buddy. Mama explained. To start growing, seeds need oxygen from the air, the right temperature, and water. A seed soaks up the water. The water softens the seed coat and makes it swell. The seed coat splits open and the seed begins to grow. Buddy put the cards in order. How does a seed know what to grow? Each seed grows the same kind of plant that it came from, said Mama. Inside each seed is the beginning of a tiny plant called the embryonic plant. Embryonic, said Buddy. Yes, Bud, the tiny plant has a tiny embryonic root, a tiny embryonic stem, tiny embryonic leaves, and food to nourish the tiny plant as it starts to grow. So the cards that his grandfather gave him are the sequence of what happens to a seed when it starts to grow. I love that picture. You can see all of the steps where you have the seed, then the root. The root gets a little bit longer, and then there's a little stem that starts to grow up, little leaves, and the food is inside that seed. And then there's the plant as it's gotten really big. Really interesting. Food, said Buddy. I'm hungry. Let's eat. Buddy and Mama had a snack. Seed, 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 said Buddy. He saved some cantaloupe and watermelon seeds for his collection. Then we see Buddy's seed collection, and he keeps adding things that he has eaten, watermelon and cantaloupe. When Wednesday came, Buddy said, Another day, another bag. He and Mama read, Here is something you can eat. For the birds it is a treat. Just for them and just for you. Good nutrition, energy too. Something to eat. I like this bag already, said Buddy. Buddy looked inside. He found a small bird feeder with a red roof. There was also 2 clear bags with seeds. For the birds, for my buddy, Buddy, and they're sunflower seeds. Mine look different, said Buddy. Oh, the seeds for the birds still have their hard coats, said Mama. The seeds for you have had their hard coats taken off, and their insides toasted. That makes them good to eat. Good to eat. I'll have one right now, said Buddy. He popped one in his mouth. Then he filled the feeder with the bird seeds and saved some for his collection. So those still have the hard seed coat on. Those do not. Buddy and Mama went outside. Buddy pressed the suction cups against the glass. The little bird feeder stuck to the window. When they went back inside, Buddy asked, Will these seeds grow inside of me? No, Buddy, they won't grow inside of you, but the seeds we eat are good food, full of vitamins and minerals. Your morning cereal is made from the seeds of wheat, oat, rice, and corn. Mama tasted Buddy's sunflower seeds. They taste nutty, she said. And yummy, said Buddy. He saved one toasted sunflower seed for his collection. Whoa, you can see how his collection is really growing. There's his one sunflower seed without the seed coat, and then the sunflower seeds with the seed coat. On Thursday, Buddy said, "This one today." Mama and Buddy read the tag. Glue these on, make a nice design. Create a picture frame that is mighty fine. Buddy emptied the bag. Look what Gram sent you in this one, said Mama. Different bean seeds, a cardboard frame, and more glue. I like gluing seeds, said Buddy. Later, Buddy and Mama had a snack. Strawberries, said Buddy. I see tiny seeds. Mama said, and strawberries are the only fruit with the seeds on the outside, shouted Buddy. Buddy added some bean seeds and some tiny strawberry seeds to his collection. Whoa, I don't know if you can even see those strawberry seeds, how very tiny they are. And then there are so many different types of beans, and each bean has a different seed. When Friday came, Buddy chuckled. Which one should I pick today? I think I'll pick this one. He and Mama read, here are some things you can sow. Water them, watch them sprout and grow. Though it takes a little while, surely this will make you smile. And this sow is when you plant seeds. It's not when you sew with a needle and thread. Buddy's seed collection. Well, Grams had put the bottom half of a plastic bottle, some potting soil, grass seed, tape, and paper shapes in the bag. Buddy knew just what to do. He poured the soil into the bottle. He sprinkled the seeds over the top and covered them with a little soil. Next, he watered the seeds. Then he taped the paper shapes to the bottle. Now I'm really hungry, said Buddy. He and Mama had a snack. Buddy saved some pear seeds for his collection. And you can see here all the things that he needs to get his seeds to grow. He needs water and soil, and then he should put it someplace warm, so it will be the right temperature. And then we have the pear seeds that he added. For several days, Buddy watched. He watered. I wonder what he's growing in there. And he waited. While he waited, Buddy read some books. He brought his seed collection to school. He rode his bike and played catch with his dad. He built a model airplane at Cup Club and went to his best friend Albert's birthday party. After a while, and look at what happened with the little seeds that he planted. Kind of looks like Buddy, doesn't it? Buddy sent a package to Gramps. Dear Gramps, seeds, seeds, seeds are so much fun. Thank you lots from your grandson. Love, Buddy. There's that picture frame that he made covered with bean seeds with a photograph of Buddy holding on to the grass seeds that he planted that made it look like the little creature has hair. Really cute. Well, I really hope that you enjoyed that story, Seeds, Seeds, Seeds. And I really think it's something that you could do with your family. You could start saving seeds and glue them on a paper and write their name. And maybe you'll even get a chance to plant some seeds this spring. So hope you enjoyed it, folks. Thank you.